Hi, welcome. Now we are going to find out what is the number of cells in a worksheet. Okay, so it's an interesting exercise. How can we find the number of cells in a worksheet? Okay, so how can we find out? Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to find out what is the number of rows in a worksheet and number of columns in a worksheet. Then I'm going to multiply both. Okay, so rows and columns. Okay, so how can I get the number of rows in a worksheet? Okay, so there is a function called rows. Okay, returns the number of rows in a reference or array. When you pass array, it will return number of rows in the array. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to use this rows function to count the number of rows. So instead of array, what I am going to send in the rows function, I am going to send a full column. Okay, so it will return the total number of rows in the column. That means all the rows, the total number of rows in a sheet. Okay, so I just send a column, then it returns the number of rows in the worksheet. Similarly, there is a function called columns. Okay, this the function similar to rows returns the number of columns in the array or reference. So I am going to send a row now to find out what are the number of columns available. Okay, probably I will send I'm going to send a row, sorry, not columns. I'm going to send a row to find out what is the number of columns available in the row. Okay, so that's okay. Enter. This is my columns. So if I multiply these two, I will get a total number of cells. Into rows, total number of rows in the sheet, into total number of columns in the sheet. This is the cells. So probably you will count it. What is the millions or billions? I don't know. So this is 69,000 and 800,000 million, 10 million, and it is going beyond that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will show you one more time. I have to count it, the rows. I send a column to find out the total number of rows into I will send a row to find a total number of columns and multiply it. Okay, this is the total number of cells available in a single worksheet.